Good morning, everyone. We are going to start in science subjects chapter number 7. Chapter's name is also, all of you know, living things and non-living things. Before these lectures, in previous lectures I have discussed about what is living things and what is non-living things. So already I have discussed about the characteristics of the living things. Characteristics of the living things about food, movement and growth. 3 points I have cleared here. First, food. Second, growth. And third, movement. So, after movements, food, growth, movement, these are the characteristics of the living things. Next characteristics of the living things are what? Stimuli. What is a stimuli? First of all, you should know what is a stimuli. Means response, it will be responsible for response. Stimuli is a body's activities. All the living things respond to change around them, no doubt. All living things respond to change around them. So the changes is in surroundings to which living things respond are called stimuli. Means what is the causes of changing? What is the main cause of the changing around them is known, that causes is known as the stimuli. Stimuli is the plural of stimulus. So it is singular. Stimuli is the plural of stimulus. Stimulus is the singular and stimuli is the plural. So, for example, it will be clear by the example, if a man touches a very hot object, suppose he will touch any hot object, suddenly, without knowing, it will be hot. You don't know about the temperature of the objects and you will touch suddenly. Then what will be happen? Immediately, quickly, pulls your hand away from the hot objects. Or second example, if a barefooted man steps on a sharp object like a thorn or a nail, he quickly pulls away his feet from the sharp object. So in this case, the stimuli is pain. When you will touch any hot object, then in this case you will feel heat. So another example we will take here. If we move from a dark place into bright or from bright place into dark, then our eyes shut themselves automatically for a moment. Suppose you will enter in a lighting room, light place from the dark place, then what will be happen? Suddenly you will close your eyes suddenly for a moment time. Automatically it will be happen. So in this case, bright light is the stimulus and we respond by shutting our eyes momentarily. So these are known as the stimuli. Body activities means in first case, pulls away of your hands from the hot objects, and in second case, pulls away your feet from the nail or sharp objects. And in third case, suddenly automatically shut your eyes when you will enter from dark to light house, light room, or from light to dark. These are known as the stimuli. So, if we see our favorite food, second type examples I will explaining here. When you will, suppose you will see your very interested, very favorite food, then our mouth starts watering. As you will see your interested food, your favorite food, then start automatically watering in your mouth. In this case, the sight of favorite food, the sight of favorite food in the stimuli and watering of mouth in our response to it. Means any stimuli happen by any causes. Means without causes, without reason, there will be no stimuli, and it is known as the stimuli. So, stimuli is the body activities. Pull away from your hand, or automatically close your eyes, or automatically watering in your mouth. These are the example of the stimuli. So here I have given only stimulus example about the human bodies. So animals also respond for the stimulus. When we move towards a bird, the bird flies away from us. Why? Because in this case fear is the stimulus, and bird responded by moving away. So these are the also means animals also feel stimuli. After animals, plants also respond to change around them. Stimuli is the changing process of around the human bodies, around the animals, around the plants. So plants also respond to stimuli for anything. Means around the human bodies, human beings, around the animals, anything. So, for example, about the plants, all of you have listened about the plants mimosa. Don't touch me. Mimosa is a plant. When you will touch these leaves, then will be already contacts. Touch me not. Other name of the mimosa's tree plants is known as the touch me not. Mimosa or touch me not. As you will touch the leaves of the mimosa, then it will be start contacting. So mimosa plants without finger, with our finger, as you will touch with your finger, then its leaves fold up and drop immediately. In this case, the touch of finger in the stimulus, and mimosa plants respond by the folding its leaves. Okay, so these are the example of the stimulus and activities of the stimulus of the body. Our next topics after the stimulus, respiration. Respiration. So after this respirations, all the responsibilities, all the living things, and respirations having the existing in the human bodies and all living things. So respiration, what is a respiration?